What's the meaning of colorful? Colorful. Colorful.
Colorful. Colorful. Colorful is an adjective used to describe something that is full of vibrant colors. Typically, it refers to things like paintings, landscapes, or even personalities that are filled with a variety of hues. When something is called colorful, it evokes feelings of excitement, liveliness, and diversity. It can be used to describe everything from a bright and playful fashion sense to a rich and complex cultural heritage. Overall, the term colorful implies a celebration of life and all its many shades.